Hey, fifth grade. So we're going to take a look at our mini metric Olympics. Today we're just going to kind of be taking a look at everything on it and talk about some materials that maybe you guys will be able to get your hands on. And then some of the expectations. We're not actually going to be doing any of these. That'll be next week. So when we look, it says topic area, estimating and measuring in metric units. Again, if you have to use our imperial system and then convert it over using either Google or help of a parent, that's totally fine as well. So students will become familiar with metric units by estimating and measuring in a metric Olympic setting. So math skills, we have measuring in metric units, and our science is estimating and predicting. Here's the thing that we're kind of focusing on for today. And this says per class. So sometimes you won't need as many things like 2 to 3 paper plates or pie pans. For this, you'd only need 1 paper plate for yourself. Okay? Same with the drinking straws, right? You probably just need 1 for yourself. Bag of marbles, again, you'd probably be just fine with 1 for yourself. But anyway, we're hoping to have paper plates, some drinking straws, a bag of marbles, a 3-meter stick, and meter tapes. Here's the deal, is we actually, if you scroll down a little bit here, there is a meter stick, and you see it's got a cutout that you can do, and you can tape it all together. You see the ends where they would tape on, so you could make 2 meter sticks for yourself, and that'd be just fine if you want to print this off and cut it. And you can also use it as a tape as well, since it'll be able to be laid flat, and you can also bend it. You just need to be careful with it. If you have one at home already, that's great. Other things are some cotton balls, a large sponge, a mixing bowl or bucket, a liter measuring set, centimeter graph paper, that you could probably just find on Google and print off a sheet. You'll only need 1, I'm pretty sure. So balance scale with weights. Now, one of our projects is having to do with weighing marbles. And I know that having a scale might not work. So, excuse me, for this one, we might just be grabbing a handful as big as we can, making a guess, and then just going and looking on Google what we think the weight of a marble would be, or what an average weight of a marble would be, and then multiplying it. And student worksheets. So worksheets are in the bottom that we'll see. Okay. So I will have this PDF shared to you. And you guys can just kind of read through. Again, it's talking about being in teams. Of course, we're doing this by ourselves at home, so we're just gonna have to make a few tweaks. So those are the materials that I'm hoping that you guys to get. I would also like you guys to read through the Olympic symbol, history of the ancient games, the Olympic motto, the Olympic flame, and modern Olympic games. Okay, so I want you to read through all those today. Then, as we look ahead, these are the worksheets that you guys will use, and we'll talk about using these and the activities that we'll do in the coming week. So here's a thing to record all. Again, I'll have this PDF shared with you guys, but the important thing for today is that you read through those few things that I asked you to read through, and you focus on trying to get these materials. And next week we'll actually start with the Olympic Games. Let me know if you have any questions, and I hope we have an enjoyable time doing this.